Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly breathtaking: views of the 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo trending and modern car. The 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo continues to honor its legacy as one of the finest mid-engine V8 sports cars ever created by the Italian marque. With its sleek, aerodynamic profile and razor-sharp driving dynamics, this masterpiece of engineering is more than just a supercar. It's a tribute to Ferrari's glorious past and its relentless pursuit of performance perfection. From the moment you lay eyes on the F8 Tributo, it delivers an instant surge of adrenaline. Its sculpted body, aggressive front splitter, redesigned S-duct, and subtle tweaks to airflow management elements serve both beauty and purpose. The car looks fast even when it's parked, with design cues that echo the brand's racing DNA. The slim LED headlights, carbon fiber elements, and signature quad taillights round out a silhouette that is nothing short of breathtaking. Slip inside the F8 Tributo, and the first thing you'll notice is how the cockpit blends modern luxury with motorsport-inspired functionality. The driver-centric layout wraps everything around the pilot with tactile controls, a minimalist digital display setup, and paddle shifters mounted behind a flat-bottom steering wheel. The seats are finely crafted from Alcantara and leather, combining comfort with the support you need at high speeds. While it's not a car built for infotainment, Ferrari has integrated essential features discreetly, allowing you to stay connected without losing focus on what matters driving. Every inch of the interior feels handcrafted, with a premium touch and obsessive attention to detail. Even the passenger has a small display to feel involved in the action. Underneath its rear engine cover lies a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 engine that roars with unfiltered emotion, producing an astonishing 710 horsepower and 770 Newton-meters of torque. The F8 Tributo catapults from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed that stretches to 340 kilometers per hour. The sound is raw and mechanical, a perfect balance of turbo hiss and V8 growl that reminds you you're in something truly special. Mated to a lightning-quick 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, every gear change is razor-sharp, giving the driver full control of this raging bull. Ferrari's side slip control, advanced aerodynamics, and the latest version of its dynamic traction systems keep the car planted during aggressive cornering without compromising the visceral thrill. As for pricing, the 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo starts at around $190,000, though the price can easily climb well beyond that depending on options, trims, and customizations. With Ferrari's bespoke personalization program, you can truly make this car your own, right down to the stitching in the seats or the finish on the brake calipers. For a supercar in this league, it offers exceptional value, combining iconic design, brutal performance, and daily drivability in one sleek package. In conclusion, the 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo is not just a car, it's an experience, raw, elegant, and exhilarating in every sense. Whether you're on the track or just taking a weekend drive, this machine connects driver to road like few others can. Ferrari has once again proven that passion and performance go hand in hand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.